Come test drive the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power door locks, USB connection, fog lamps, power windows, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, alarm, privacy glass, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.